Welcome back. Today we'll see how to install Java on Windows machine. First of all, open the browser and search for Java 17 download. Now you will see Oracle download website. Open it. Scroll down until you find a machine. Currently I am using Windows 64, so I am going for 64-bit. Click on the link beside it. Download will start automatically. Generally it takes few seconds to download. Again, it depends upon the internet speed. Yeah, once it got downloaded, open the download folder where it got downloaded. Right click on the exe file and click run as administrator. If asked for permissions, just click on yes. Now it will show the installer window. Click on next. It will show the path where Java is getting installed. Remember it for the future use. Click on next. It just takes few seconds to get installed. Again, this depends upon the machine speed. Now click on close. Navigate to the path where Java got installed. Most of the cases it will be in C program files, and just find Java in it. Once you find the Java, open it and open JDK. Now copy the path. Now click on the Windows and search for environment. Select edit environment variables. Now you will see a window. Select environment variables from the bottom. It will open a new window again. Navigate to the system section. Click on a new button. Under system section, add Java home and paste the path already copied earlier and click on OK. And we need to add one more path. Navigate to the path variables. Select and click on it. Check if any previous version of JDK is installed. No, in my case, so I'm click on new button, paste the path and append bin to it. Click on OK again, OK again, OK again. Yeah. Now let's see if path variables are correct. Open command prompt and enter Java. We are seeing something. It seems we are good with the variables. Let's type Java version. Now we will be able to see the version that we have already installed. Now let's write the first Java program and test it. Open the VS Code. Create a new Java file. Name it as hello world.java. And now let's start writing code. Write a public class hello world. In Java, class name should be same as the file name. And open and close parentheses. Add a main method and add a print statement to test it. I am adding hello world here. Now open the terminal by clicking Ctrl and tilde key. Once the terminal got open, type Java space file name hello world.java. You will see the output here. That's it for the today. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos.